My name is Ezewoken. Ezewoken.
Okay, what kind of events happening today?
I am the founder and the PG of Buru'Otu. Today is our NOA party. And again, our Raffle draw. We did it today. And same thing that we did last year. And it's all that people win it and they're happy. We don't do Ojoro, we do original.
Okay, how has the program been for you so far, sir?
By God's grace, we are trying. The club is about going to 9 years now.
Igbo, you appear to be a money-making machine. You really made money for a lot of people today and for your organization. How did you acquire these talents?
Well, it is by only God's grace and the wisdom. When I started the Raffle last year, people don't like it. But after December, some of them was happy of winning many things, which I did not win. I bought tickets almost 200,000. I not win even one. Today, I bought tickets. I bought Raffle tickets, 204,000, which some bought 30K. So it's when you put money, you make more money. So I took risk, but my target is to win the fridge or the TV. But God try my son win generator, son to win generator and win rice.
So where do you see Buru'Otu in the next 5 years, having gotten an event center and secretariat?
Buru'Otu is going far. By God's grace, I'm not lying to you. We have more than 80 million in account, cash. Buru'Otu is not going. It's going very, very far. I am the founder, and I know what God told me before I started this club. And you can see everybody's happy. We borrow people's money. We can borrow your money as a member. We can do anything for you to stand. So the club is open hand and open heart. So there's not like fake. So that's why people are jumping to become a member of Buru'Otu. And in this land now, when we start breaking it here, every member will be sharing the money every year. And if you die, you are the person that you put his name or her name as name of bank, you start every money.
Do you intend to extend to other parts of the country?
I'm afraid before some people jack something from somewhere and start using it for bad purpose. So that's why we say let us leave it for now for Lagos. We have members in America, in Australia, in Germany. They are members. They are in WhatsApp. They are paying their user and they are taking their rights.
What are the activities of Buru'Otu? What are the activities you do?
The club will have pay for hospital when we are a member and there's no money and we are sick or a family. You can go there. They will take care of you. We will pay money and we will give you 6 months to pay you the money small. And whenever you have people of money, we will borrow your money, 5 million, 2 million, 10 million. But you give us 2 shots and to give us said check because tomorrow you may die. So there are so many things that make the vote become one, and we give huge amounts. Whenever somebody is doing child education or marriage, we give big amount of money. So the club is okay, and we will have CPR police, DC, AC, someone DPO. That if you have genuine case, the case will settle without no shaking. So if you want to give people power, that those are not even entities against the law of this country. As long as we are doing genuine thing, we go to back up anywhere in the world.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.